Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your school Google account in Chrome. That gives Meet access and calendar integration. Once signed in, open Meet. Google.com or use the Meet link in Classroom. Allow camera and mic so others can see and hear you. Make sure the network is stable, prefer wired or sit near the router, and close downloads or streaming apps to reduce lag, because poor bandwidth is the most common cause of meeting problems. Now create or join the Meet. To host, click New Meeting and choose Start Now or get a meeting link for later. To join, paste the meeting code or follow the classroom invite. Check the camera and microphone preview and switch devices if needed. Use headphones to reduce echo. If you're scheduling, add the Meet link to a Google Calendar event, invite attendees, and include a short agenda so participants know why they should join. Finish by setting permissions and controls. Mute when not speaking, use captions if needed, and lock participant entry if required. When presenting, pick a tab for video with sound or a specific window to avoid sharing private info. Stop presenting when done. If something breaks, camera or audio missing, restart the browser first, clear cache or try an incognito window, and make sure extensions aren't blocking permissions. Contact your school.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.